I believe GTL is different in data security from our competition from the mere fact that I believe it's the cornerstone of what we do.
What I've always found interesting about GTL and its customers is that our customers are operators of prisons, and their job is to keep people in. GTL is much the same, except we try to keep people out.
Data breaches have reached an all-time high because I think we're moving to more and more technology in everything that we do. And because of that, the bad guys are trying to profit off of that, and so they're trying to get that information so that they can do things.
If you're in the business of data and you don't think people are trying to get into your systems, you're wrong.
You can have something as simple as script kiddies that are learning the trade, trying to prove themselves to more seasoned hackers in the community, to things much more malicious, attempts to steal financial data from organizations.
Data security is important for correctional facilities because they operate just like a city on the outside. As inmates have access to commissary services, medical services, phone services, they're also sharing confidential information. Sometimes it's even more confidential in an attorney-client situation.
Whenever a provider has a breach, all facilities should be concerned that they have possibly been breached as well. Organizations sometimes have a breach or have some sort of an issue that needs to be resolved, and they don't take any action. So as a result, we don't see any improvement in that company or that organization. So a facility that's looking for a secure environment and secure services to be brought should be asking those questions. Have you had a breach? And if you've had one, what have you done to correct it? We have multiple data centers across the country. In each of those data centers, we've recently upgraded to install state-of-the-art flash storage.
The steps that GTL takes to prevent against all sorts of breaches is a multi-layered approach. Beginning at the edge of the network, GTL has intrusion prevention systems, best in class.
GTL uses a third party to attempt to gain access to its network. GTL does this monthly as opposed to quarterly, which is required. And then we do our own testing as well, weekly. We kind of weave a basket of security testing so that we can catch any of the small fish trying to get in.
We also have a plethora of monitoring systems in place to monitor all the logs of all the systems. So every system you see here is all aggregated into a centralized logging system that GTL's security department monitors. We silo our data based on the customer. So a breach of one particular system related to one correctional facility is going to have a distinct system for another correctional facility.
Our customers are in the security business, so they understand the importance of security. We're in the technology business, so we understand the specific issues that come with data security. And it's our job to make sure they understand that just as much as they do their own business. The future of data security in correctional facilities is going to get even bigger and stronger. As we move towards helping the inmates and our customers reduce recidivism to make the inmates productive and have the skills on the outside of the wall, we're going to use things like tablets and other things to provide that education to them. The inmates are very smart on the inside of the walls, and they know how technology works, so it's extremely important for us to make sure that those items, those tools are very secure and that we're ahead of the curve.
At GTL, we take data security seriously so that our customers can focus on keeping our communities safe.